Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Do you know the correct pronunciation of these letters? Don't worry. Today we will learn the correct pronunciation of these letters. There are some letters the way we pronounce is the correct way, like B, D, etc. But there is also some letters the way we pronounce is not the correct way, like A, F, etc. So today I'll teach you the correct pronunciation of these letters. So let's get started. The first one is A. A. We pronounce it like A. A. No A from now on. It would be A. A. I'm circling this letter. The next is B, C, D, E. We all know these letters, so I'm not giving much time here. The next confusing word is F. F. Not F. F. The next one is G, H, I. This is also the known words. Next is J. J. The same sound A. J. K. This is not K. 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 I'm also circling these letters. This is L, not L. 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 This is M. M. Two lips together. M. N. This is O. O. Not O. O. This is P. 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 This is Q. K. K. Q. I'm circling this letter. R. Simple. S. T. 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 This is U. It's simple too. Then another confusing letter. V. V. The same as F. V. This is W. This is quite funny letter because it's looking like V, but this is not V. It's W. We pronounce it like W. W. Not. It would be W. This is X. Y. So let's go to this letter because it has two pronunciations. One is Z, another one is Z. The way we pronounce is Z. This is also correct. Z is also correct. So hope you like this class. Next time I'll bring the phonics of these letters. Allah Hafiz.